Hello, now we will see the very important concept law of variable proportion or written to a variable factor. Statement of variable proportion. In short period, when only one variable factor is increased, keeping other factor constant, the total product increases at increasing rate, then increases at decreasing rate, and finally TP decrease. शॉर्ट पीरियड में जब वेरिएबल फैक्टर इंक्रीज होता है, एक वेरिएबल फैक्टर इंक्रीज होता है, बाकी जो फैक्टर हैं वो कांस्टेंट होते हैं, तो टीपी इंक्रीज होता है इंक्रीजिंग रेट से, उसके बाद इंक्रीज होता है डिक्रीजिंग रेट से, और फाइनली डिक्लाइन हो जाता है. डिक्लाइन मीन्स डिक्रीज हो जाता है. MP increase then fall but remain positive, then third phase become negative. मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट इंक्रीज होता है, उसके बाद गिर जाता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है, लेकिन जो पिछली स्टेज है उसमें मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव हो जाता है. Explanation of law of variable proportion with a schedule and a diagram. Fixed factor, no change, 1. Variable factor, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total product, 0, 5, 15, 3, 0, 4, 0, 45, 4, 5, and 40. Marginal product when TP is equal to 0, MP 0. When TP is equal to 5, MP is equal to 5 minus 0, 5. When TP is equal to 15, MP is equal to 15 minus 5, 10. When TP is equal to 3, 0, MP is equal to 15. When TP is equal to 40, MP is equal to 10. TP is equal to 45, MP is equal to 5. TP 45, MP 0. 45 minus 45 0. TP is equal to 40, then MP is equal to 40 minus 45, that is minus 5. Now phase or stage increasing written to a factor. MP is equal to 0 to 15. MP is equal to 0 to 15, then we can see that it increases, and when MP increases, the stage came increasingly turn to a pectal. After 15, MP decreases 10, 5 and 0. Therefore, we can say that diminishing return to a pectal because MP decreases. And at last, MP is equal to minus 5. Therefore, we can say that MP is negative. It is negative return to a pectal. This is the diagram. In first stage, TP increases at increasing rate. MP also increases. In second stage, TP increase, MP decrease, but remain positive. In third stage, TP decrease and MP became negative. Phase 1 or stage 1, increasing return to a pectal. TP or TPP increases at increasing rate. MPP also increases. Phase 2 or stage 2, diminishing return to a pectal. TP increase at decreasing rate. MP or MPP decreases on pole. This phase, and when MPP is equal to 0 and TPP is maximum. Phase 3 or stage 3 or negative return to a pectal. TPP diminished or decreased. MPP became negative.